I love you.
I love you too.
I don't know what my life would have been without you. I'd have been lost, empty, and miserable. But you're here. And as you're here, you complete me. Nothing else matters. Thank you.
You make me so happy. And you complete me too. I love you forever.
I love you forever, baby. Are you okay? Okay, okay. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Are you okay?
I feel dizzy all of a sudden.
Okay, sorry. Is it, do you want something like tablet or?
No, it's just, it just
happened.
like a flash.
Yeah.
Just everywhere just went blank.
Yeah, sorry. Babe, I haven't noticed our usual monthly visitors. Seems like they are tired of us just the way we are tired of them. I don't know.
Wait, I haven't seen it.
Wait, are you sure?
I'm 4 days late.
Okay.
Calm down, don't jinx it. Oh, could it be that? Is it possible?
What are you saying? Is it possible? Of course it is possible.
Am I pregnant?
Yes. Yes, you are pregnant. No. We are pregnant. Wait. Look, why don't we get a pregnancy kit, the test strip, so that we can just run it and see if there is...
It's too early. I'm just 4 days late. I feel like we should wait 1 week. Then we'll be so sure. When you test early, it can give you a negative result.
Are you sure?
I don't want my hopes all up.
No, but I don't care whether it is whether we test this week or test next week. It is the same. Babe, what are you doing?
Doing the dishes.
No. You can't be subjecting my baby into doing hard labor. No.
I can do it, baby. I can do it.
You cannot do it. You shouldn't do it. You must not do it.
Baby, I said I can do it.
Can you stop calling me baby? Am I baby? You're my baby, carrying my baby inside of you. Why would you be calling me baby?
So you don't want me to?
I don't want to. Don't call me baby.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Yeah.
Careful what you wish for.
What do you mean what I wish for? I do not want you to call me baby. So this is the baby you are carrying. That's the one we should be calling baby. I go and rest.
I should go and rest.
Go and rest.
Thank you. Sorry, thank you, babe. Sorry, thank you.
Cool. You are washing plate. What are my hands for? What are you for? Oh yeah, start washing plate. Start. Sorry. Sorry, easy. Alright. Eat.
Smells good.
Like? Okay. Alright, eat. You want me to feed you? Alright. Okay. You like? Alright, that's encouraging. Okay, fine. All right. Mission impossible. You did it. Try to drink water. Small. It's very cold. It's okay. It's okay. So that I can be able to eat. I suffered before making this thing. I don't want you to.
Thank you.
Anything for you, my baby.
Matthew. You're always happy.
Madam.
You're always happy.
What am I going to do now?
Do you ever get angry?
What am I going to do, madam? I go to happy every time now.
Madam again. How many times will I correct you? It's madam.
You know, say this your name, they resemble somehow. Madam. Madam.
It's okay. Where's my key?
It's inside, madam.
Okay.
Madam.
What happened? Talk.
Babe, are you trying to drive?
Yes?
I should drive you to wherever you're going. You're not supposed to be driving by this time.
No. I have a meeting and I need to catch up on time.
Babe? Babe, can you please come? I just let me show you something inside.
Madam, you get map where I see.
Babe.
Map.
I don't forget the country where get that map.
What's going on?
No, nothing. I wanted you to check stuff. Help me check stuff about. Oh Gadima, Nemesia. Oh Gadima, Nemesia. We okukwe, we ndidi ajunaka, ogijime ajunaka, ogijime nanigiwe. Ndidi nanigiwe. Ogadima, Nemesia. Ogadima, Nemesia. Nani we ndidi. We okukwe ajunaka ogejime ajunaka ogejime ogadima Nemesia. Hey babe, wakey. Wake up. All right, wake up and eat.
I don't want to eat anything.
You have to. Okay, you have to take something. All right. So here you go. At least sip this hot tea is good for you. Just take a sip. Good girl. Alright. You're welcome. Good. Now your bread.
I don't have any appetite.
See, babe, everything will be fine. Okay? And we cannot wait for everything to be fine before we choose to be happy. We have to intentionally choose to be happy. No more IVFs. No more disappointments. And no matter the pains that we go through, we'll go through it and we will be happy. We'll rejoice in our marriage. Okay? And from today, we'll have to stop having sex just because we're looking for kids. We'll have sex and enjoy ourselves. And when the time comes, the God's appointed time, we will have our own child. We will have our own children. Okay? So enough of the IVFs. No more. That's my baby. Where's my baby smile? Where's my baby smile? I need to see that smile.
Yes, you're right. We don't have to wait until everything is perfect in our lives before we can be happy. We need to enjoy our lives. I mean, even though we don't have any babies now, at least we have each other. And that's enough reason to be happy, right?
Yes.
And yes, I agree with you with trying to have sex just to make babies. It shouldn't have to be like that. We should enjoy ourselves and our marriage. If the baby comes, fine. But if the baby doesn't come, I wish I can say I don't care.
But you'll be lying to yourself because you do care. You know, I have missed those creative styles of yours. I don't know where you get them, but I love them. Okay?
Okay.
Everything will be fine.
Yes, I assure you we will. I'm just weak now. But I promise you soon we will.
Now, I need you to enjoy your breakfast. Come on. A slice, one bite. 2 slices actually.
Breakfast in bed.
Baby.
Next time try and fry egg.
That's true. But I was rushing up.
It's okay, I was just joking. It's fine. You don't have to explain, thank you. It's the thought that counts. Give them. What is this?
Do it.
Eh? This is your wonders. What is this?
Okay, yeah, that's. Babe. Babe.
What happened? Are you not enjoying the dance?
I'm enjoying it.
What did you stop?
Let me go and show you something.
What is that?
Something.
Tell me the thing here now.
Oh, come first now.
I want to know what it is.
And that's why I said, come, let me show you.
No, you don't show me anything.
Eh?
What do you want to show me? Tell me, let me know.
Babe, show you something means come and see it. I must not tell you.
I know your plan.
You know what? So why you argue?
Marry fine woman, we love you. You get why? No come to stay your village people, they fire you up on that. Marry fine woman, we love you.
Madam, I won't go to where does be.
Okay, please open the gate. And it's Madam Matthews. Repeat after me.
Madam. Listen, madam, this name can resemble like Mama Adam. I mean,
Be like say your pikin go name them Adam. We go mumu collect apple from Eve for Bible. We put us for this condition.
Adam is not a bad name, okay? But I'm not naming my child after Adam. Thank you.
maybe go name him Ken or Eben.
Please, can you just open the gate? Thank you.
I want to congratulate you for your
new belly.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, look at you now. The way you are they play every time. The thing is obvious now. Say the thing
Matthew, mind your business and open the gate. Open the gate and mind your business. Mind your business, Matthew.
Madam, abago. I guess.
Play with your nearest man now. Or you move. Hey, foul. Wait, let me watch this match.
Why?
Let me finish this match.
I want you to finish me.
Babe,
I know you don't.
I cannot say no, baby. Wait. Don't want to allow me rest. You don't want to allow me rest. You don't want to allow me rest. That's your plan. You want to distract me. You want to distract me. You just start to finish you.
Stop now.
Go away. I'm going to treat you. Yes. Babe. Sorry.
What is it?
What is?
I was having this very beautiful dream and you interrupted it.
What dream?
My dream, I swear, man. trying to hand over a baby to me.
Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. You see, you were dreaming and receiving it, and I was here finding it out where it is written. Babe, I have found it.
Huh?
I have found it. The word that was written for our situation. It is Matthew. No. I'm not talking about our mischievous gate man. No, I am talking about the book of Matthew chapter 18, verse 19. Let us read it together. 19.
Okay.
Again I say unto you that if two of you shall agree on earth, where are we?
Earth.
As touching anything. What are we trying to touch? Yes. That they shall ask, it shall be done for them of my Father which is in heaven. And this is it, babe. Babe, it means that if we agree to what we're going to do now, and that is birthing forth Samuel Ogindi, it shall establish.
Samuel Ogindi.
Yes.
Our time has come.
Exactly.
Samuel Ogindi. Okay. Fine.
That is agreement. Okay. My darling. I miss you more. How was your day?
Fine. What do you have here?
Oh well, I got some gift for Samuel. Of course, one or two things there for you. You know, faith is the evidence of things not seen. So this is our evidence. We need to start preparing for what we pray for.
Oh, these are beautiful.
I know, right?
You're the best dad in the whole world.
And you are the best mommy in the whole world.
Thank you. Let's go inside. I made your favorite soup.
You did? Oh my God, I love it when you make my favorite. I love it when you make my favorite soup. And the way you do it doesn't taste the same. It tastes better every time. Ah. Oh my God, look at the table.
Hey. See, correct wife, correct husband. Child. But then get one problem. Oh. They never born pikin. If they come born pikin now, fine pikin. Hi. Over correct, over perfect go they worry them. My here say I no marry fine woman where they like my madam. Thunder where they do press up go fire. Thunder where they do press up go fire. My village people. See my mad madam. See her in the hi.
expect didn't happen at the time we expected. For the past 7 years, we have experienced this every single month. It's time to break the circle. It's time to move on from the normal. Okay, everything is going to be fine. We will trust him. No matter how painful it is, we will trust him because he is our anchor. He is our word. He holds our tomorrow and we have nowhere else to go. We cannot go anywhere else. He will do it. Okay?
Please, pray for me. Please, pray for my baby.
Hello babe, how are you?
I don't feel too well. I'm cold. I have headache too.
Oh my god. I just drove out of town now. Let me just make a U-turn. I'll come.
No, you don't have to. You have an important meeting. I'll just send Matthew to get me drugs from the pharmacy.
No, just hold on. I'll come and see you in a jiffy.
I don't have any option. I need to take drugs immediately. I'll just send him.
No, babe. No, don't. Matthew that cannot even pronounce his name. Let him pronounce his name first. Before you go there now and mix rat poison for you. Please, I wouldn't want that. Babe, no, I don't want it. No self-medication at all. Okay. See what we'll do. I'll call Dr. Bisi and ask her if she's available so that she can come by the house and check on you. Yes, please. Alright, I'll call you back.
Okay, thank you.
Where is it? Okay.
What's that? Pregnancy test strip.
Yep.
No, sir. I think you're getting it wrong. I'm not pregnant. I just finished seeing my period 4 days ago.
Well, we have a practice of always testing for pregnancy on any adult female who is sexually active. Moreover, some women still see their period while still pregnant. For some, it may not be period, but implantation bleeding, which occurs at the early stage of pregnancy.
Do I need to do this?
Yes, you do.
I just want to get my hopes up for nothing.
Unfortunately so, but you still have to try. I'll help you. Okay. There you go. Easy. Okay, this is it. I'll be right here.
Okay, sir, I'm coming.
I told you. Congratulations. Yeah, you're pregnant.
Oh my god. Oh god, my husband. Oh my god.
Well, I have to be on my way. You just have to rest, have enough rest, mind what you eat. No stress yourself. Okay?
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you. My regards to your husband.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Finally, what we've prayed for, our 7 years prayer has been answered.
Yes.
Okay, MD.
My time is here.
I have my own time.
Yes, we do.
We do. Babe, everything is going to be perfect. There will be no more single problem. Not a single problem.
Did you say everything is going to be fine?
Everything is
Fine. Our life is perfect now.
perfect. I love you.
I love you too.
The peace I feel.
I love you too. God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What is it? Why are you crying?
I killed it. I killed somebody's child.
You killed someone's child. Babe, this is not someone's child. This is a cockroach.
Did the cockroach run from heaven? It's not someone that put to bed and gave birth to this cockroach. I did not know. I was just coming out and I just stepped on it. I did not know, baby.
Are you joking? What kind of thing is this? This is not child. This is a cockroach. This is a thing.
I don't like it. I don't like it when you sound like a devil. Are you a monster? What kind of heart do you have? You have a heart of a stone. But you strong. No compassion whatsoever. Would you like it if after I wait 9 months and I put but you're not sympathizing with this cockroach.
Yeah.
This cockroach has a mother for crying out loud.
Yeah.
Just like me now, I'll be a mother soon.
It's okay. This is not normal. Why will you be crying because of a cockroach? Okay, you know what?
Why will I not cry?
Okay,
It's not a matter of life and death.
It's a matter of life and death. You see this cockroach, the mother knows that it's a mistake.
How? Did you see the mother on your way yet?
No.
So where is the mother?
I think she left when she...
What did you do for the mother? I'm paying condolence.
No. You need to see the way she was manning the cockroach. She was crying. I was wondering what was the problem. I was blown away. I was near cockroach. The mother will be looking for. I said, baby, this. Okay, Buddha. Look, it's one thing to want something, and it's another thing to actually prepare for it. And all these things you're telling me, it's so obvious that I don't think you prepared for this pregnancy.
I prepared.
You prepared?
Yes.
I don't think so. You didn't prepare for this pregnancy. Talk more fatherhood. Listen, man. You need to exercise more patience, because you see all these things you're saying, she did this, she did that. More!
I'm not kidding. Times 10, you will see more of it.
God forbid.
It's not about saying God forbid.
Ah,
It's not about saying God forbid, bro.
this little one that I just experienced almost gave me a heart attack.
Brother,
You are saying I should
you never say anything, bro. You've not said anything.
It's a joke. Stop it.
Let me explain something to you, okay? See, you know, pregnancy in women, it differs. And from what I'm saying, I think your wife's own, the thing is, you know, is messing with her hormones. And she's bound to get angry, anxious, happy. The next minute they are sad. The next minute they are very angry. It messes with their hormones. And you need to understand this singular factor. Bro, times 10 is coming.
I appreciate your advice and all, but please don't wish me times.
I'm not wishing you
Little, I
bad.
can't. No, please.
I'm not wishing
I
you
don't
bad.
want-
Go and prepare.
I am prepared.
Go and prepare.
I'm prepared.
Every time you're complaining, she did this, she did.
Baby,
What are you doing here?
I want to help you.
No, babe, no. Now.
Go, I'll do it. When your club is playing, go and watch football. Go. I'll take care of it.
Okay.
Go.
Are you sure?
Yes, go.
Wait, is it that she's back to her sweet self, or no? This is for her to leave her favorite program to come and assist me. No, I like it. Let me just watch this match. Should have finished frying those things now. Babe, are you done? Oh, isn't they to fry plantain? Babe. Babe, are you not done? Babe, where are the chicken and the plantain?
I don't know.
What do you mean? Where is everything? Where are the chicken and the plantain?
I just ate only 2.
You are joking. Okay, you are joking.
I ate just 2.
Babe, stop this thing now. What do you mean you ate just 2? See, here is empty. Everywhere is empty. Where are they? You are saying you ate just 2.
Why are you shouting?
I'm
I
shouting.
just told you I ate just 2. Why can't you believe me?
Stop lying. Don't you know that lying can take you to hell?
Why are you wishing me death, eh? Why are you sending me a unborn child to hell? Because of ordinary cheating.
I didn't wish you dead. I just asked you to stop lying. That lying can...
I told you I ate just 2.
Yeah.
Baby ate the rest.
It's okay.
Don't touch me, you wicked man.
Sorry now. Is it not chicken and plantain? I'll go and buy another one. What is chicken? What is plantain?
I ate 2. Baby ate the rest.
Understood. Agreed. You are
I
not
don't
lying.
know that as a pregnant woman now, I'll be eating for 2.
It's okay. Come and be going to your room.
Oh.
Babe.
What? Did you just call me?
Babe.
Don't you ever in your life address me by that nonsense again. What is babe? Do I look like a whore to you? A prostitute? What kind of stupid name is that, eh?
I've always called you babe and it has never been a problem. Why is it a problem now?
It is a problem now. Don't you ever in your life address me by that name again. I don't like it. What nonsense name is that, babe? Whoever came up with that nonsense?
Sorry, oh. I didn't know, babe. Sorry.
Why are you saying sorry, eh? Am I sick? Why are you saying sorry now? What happened now? Why are you saying sorry?
No. So what would I call you now?
That one is not my problem. Figure it out.
And babe, oh sorry, this spit you are spitting here, can't you just go to the bathroom? I mean, it can help you exercise. You know, sitting in one place is not good.
Hey God, you are a very wicked man. You are wicked, hopeless, helpless, and wicked. Don't you know what empathy means? You can't show empathy to a pregnant woman. Why are you a monster? No, go out. Go out and see how they are pampering pregnant women. Go to the bank and see the way everybody is running around pregnant women. My own husband. My own husband cannot show empathy to his wife, a husband man. Eh? Why are you wicked? Show some compassion. And sympathy, empathy, anything party you don't have.
Baby, sorry. Okay. I'm trying to say that we are all in this together. We are pregnant.
Shut up! Liar! Are you pregnant? No! Look at me, look at yourself. Who is pregnant? I don't blame you now. See, your tummy is flat. Flat tummy Jesus. Straight. Piam! Okay now. Agunaya. Handsome man. Husband handsome man. That is it. You don't know what it feels like to be pregnant. You don't know how I feel inside of my body. As if it's not even my body. Everywhere is just... Hey, I don't expect you to understand. I don't. Wicked man. We who? Who is we? I'm the one that is pregnant. And you're not the one that is pregnant. Let's make that clear, okay? You want to patronize yourself. Oh, I thought us. So that I will say how romantic or what. Bite you.
She just nicely and strongly stood up to walk out. But she cannot go to the toilet. Everywhere is smelling because of what now? Eh? Are you the first woman to be pregnant? Nothing. Do you want anything?
You're running mad, oh.
You want mad?
Shut up!
Babe, how are you? I was thinking maybe we could, hang out tonight. It's been long we had such fun. I'm sure you have.
See your long mouth. You have used your long mouth now to cut my dress. I will use this rope and tie. See that your lip that you just used to say hang out, have fun. I will tie it for you. I don't blame you now. You are not the one in this condition. So you are thinking of fun? Fun! Instead of you to tell me to have all the rest in the world, you want to drag me out to go and stress me. What is wrong with you? And I've warned you, stop calling me babe. This want to strangle you. Is that when you will learn? Why are you looking at me? Oh, what is wrong with you? Stop that! What is it? Why are you doing that? Why are you spraying that? What is it?
I'm just trying to put on a perfume.
For what? Are you smelling? No, if you're smelling, you tell us now. Let's know what's stopping us in this house.
I'm going out.
Where?
To get something. Now you say you don't want us to have fun.
So must you spray perfume? Are you smelling? Who are you trying to impress?
What has the innocent perfume got to do with
I don't like it. I don't like it. It is irritating me.
Stop it all. What do you mean you don't like it? You said we should not use our usual soap. I've stopped using it. Now my body is itching me. Did I complain? I have to endure that. The other time you said nobody should use cream. That the cream is irritating you. That it's smelling. How will cream be smelling? I stopped that one. This perfume, I will not stop it. You know how much I love perfume. Please, oh.
You are irritating me. And why are you becoming such a nag, eh? Are you a woman?
Nag what? Are you not the one turning me, shouting about
Shut
things?
up! Must you talk? Hey! Hey! Tifiakwa! Husband man. But nobody knows you. Nag! You're a nag. Rest, Biko! Eh?
Baby, your dressing these days is really changing. Your dress sense these days, I don't understand it.
We don't understand it. What are you trying to say?
It's just like from 100 to 0.
Who are you laughing at? I don't understand. Are you trying to insult me? What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Huh? No, don't worry. I don't blame you. Have you been pregnant before? Have you ever carried a child before? Do you know what it feels like to wake up like this every day?
Babe, sorry now. I didn't mean it like that. It was just...
Sorry for yourself. Anyway, it's not as if I don't want to look gorgeous, but I'm always not in the mood to look pretty. It's stressful. You know how I'm always having mood swings. Besides, they told us at the hospital the other day that it comes with the pregnancy. Hormones makes you cranky most of the time.
See the way you talk to me now. Just talk to me nicely, and I understand you. It's not like you be shouting on me. Like,
Wait, are you calling me a nag? Oh, are you trying to say that I shout like a mad person? No, bingo now. Woo, 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 woo. Even when it's not necessary. Is that what you're trying to say?
Baby, I didn't say that.
You just implied that I'm a dog.
Baby, you're not.
No, first you said I'm mad. I dress like a mad woman. Baby, now you said I'm backing like a dog.
Baby, I didn't mention.
Stop calling me baby. I've told you so many times. I am not a baby. I'm a full-grown woman. Why are you calling me a baby? Wait until when your child comes and you start calling him baby. I am not a baby. Will I kill myself explaining this to you?
No, it's not that. It's not that. Sorry.
Why are you saying sorry now? Am I sick? Why are you saying sorry? Talk.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not going. You want me to dress sexy? I don't have the time to do that. You will go alone. Since you're not proud of your pregnant woman, go! No. Don't say anything. Don't make me angry. I'm very happy right now, and you're trying to piss me off. You don't like seeing me happy? You don't like me like this? You want me to be angry? You like me angry every time. Why are you trying to spoil my good mood?
Your good mood is good for us. Please.
Go. I'm not going with you. Let me go and rest. Since it's not a big problem for me to dress however I want, you don't want me to be comfortable. Go.
I'm not saying it's a problem now.
Open this door. Now.
Yes.
Negodi, you can't even do anything right, but I'm the one that is a nag. I'm the one that is clumsy. Come on to open door. Open door. Okay now, open door. Let me go and rest. Hey, I will fall here. I will fall.
I'm trying to open. I'm opening the door.
Give your boom loser.
Is this supposed to be like this? It's going up and down like that. I'm going inside. I don't know, man. I'm tired. She has completely changed. It's just like I'm living with a stranger. I don't get it.
Bro, you actually need to be very patient with this woman. Okay? I mean, like, you know, pregnancies bring out the worst in women sometimes. Because some women find it very rough during pregnancy, while some find it very easy. Okay? Just understand that the thing is just, it's conflicting with her hormones. That's why she's giving you all this attitude.
Is this what every man had to go through when their wives are pregnant? Is this what you went through when your wife was pregnant? Was she like this during her own pregnancy?
Come on, man. It doesn't really matter, okay? Look, some women have this rough, while some others have it very smooth, okay? Yeah, but, I mean, my wife had it a bit mild.
Lucky you.
Ah, come on, man. Lucky you, too. Bro, have you forgotten that you've been waiting for this for a long time? Come on, man. Stop sulking. Look, it takes some people forever to even have just one kid. Eh? Cheer up, come on.
I'm grateful.
Yeah, you should.
I truly am. It's just that I was hoping that, you know, this baby will be the perfect oil in our relationship. I was hoping that it was going to be the balance, but it is not.
Brother.
It is.
Brother. Look, you're in charge of creating the balance in every situation. Alright? Don't let this trigger you so much. Come on. It's just, I mean, less than 2-3 months. Be patient, okay? You can do this.
I'll be patient. Few months and everything will be over.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Don't worry, I got
I appreciate you.
I got you.
I appreciate you.
I got you. I need to run along now.
It's alright.
Alright.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, definitely.
Are so wicked. Take it easy now. What is this?
Baby, why are you crying now? This thing is not even that emotional. It's just trying to send her out of the house. How is that?
This thing is not emotional. Hey, Gena, you are a very wicked man. For you not to find this thing emotional, it means your heart is strong like a rock and you can kill somebody. You are a very dangerous man. Very dangerous.
Babe, they just push her in the head like this and see. Babe, when is hope by next week you are entering the 6th month.
If I call you shop owner, you say I'm being rude. How does this relate to what we are talking about? Why are you jumping from one conversation to another? By the way, let me ask you, why are you calculating my pregnancy for me? Every time you go to the calendar, January, February, March, why are you taking it? Are you the one carrying the pregnancy for me? I don't understand. If you are tired of being with a pregnant woman, then go now, go.
I didn't say I'm tired. I did not say that. I did not say that.
What is it? If I don't know any better, I would say that you are jealous of me.
Baby, how can I be jealous now? That's our baby.
Is it our baby?
It's our baby.
It's our baby now. Baby, you're not acting like it's our baby. Do you want to open my tummy? Now go and bring knife, divide it and bring out the baby so that you can rest.
Sorry. Baby, sorry. It's okay.
Why are you telling me sorry? Am I sick? Then why are you telling me sorry? And stop calling me baby. I'm not a child.
Drink juice.
I'll drink juice because I want to drink juice, not because you're telling me to drink juice.
Yes, just drink. I'll help you to calm down.
Am I up? What did you say to help me to calm down?
Drink. We want to go to the room.
Why? The movie is still showing.
I know, I just want to go to the room.
You sit here.
You know that I don't even want to watch this series. I just wanted to watch football, but you insisted I sit down here with you and watch this. Eh? Let me just go to the room.
You're not going anywhere. This series is very interesting, and it would be better if we watch it together. I don't want to stay alone and watch it. Just stay here. Then you're going to the room to go and do football cue.
Okay, let me go and ease myself. I'm coming back. Let me ease myself.
Go. Before you say I'm a wicked person, I'm telling you to hold your urine. What?
So that I can go now.
Keep it here. What are you doing like this? Keep it.
How can I keep it if your leg is here? I can't.
Take it.
You're giving me two. I said I can keep
Don't
one.
squeeze my baby, oh. Don't squeeze my baby, oh.
Oh yeah, sorry. Just
bring it. Are you the one that is pregnant? Cannot keep ordinary juice on the table. Take this one. Hey! This your long throat is getting to another level. Why are you eating it?
You said I should take it now.
Hey! Just drop it. Osa. Carry my leg down. Hey! Gentle, want to kill me? Yeah. Oh, thick. Come back here. Give me back my popcorn. Hurry up. Let me pause the film. You want to escape? Bring it. You want to watch football? Football cue there. Okay now.
I've not even entered the bathroom.
Hurry up. I want to continue this series. Where are you?
Calm down. Okay now, calm down. Today is Thursday. Thursday. Okay. 13 weeks left. You can endure it. Just hold on, calm down, and soon you will have your sweet, loving, and beautiful wife back. Yes! I'm coming! Inner peace. Back to work. Not war. Work. Inner peace. Babe!
Matthew! 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 Are you deaf or blind? I've been calling you.
Hi. Sorry, madam.
What did you just say? Say it again. Who is mad, madam? How many times have I warned you to stop calling me madman? It's madam. Say it after me.
Madam, I don't know, madam.
Good. Thought you were daft. Stupid boy. That's to reset your brain.
Madam, it's not my fault, it's my tongue.
Your tongue. Next time you call me madman, I'll cut off that tongue. Silly you. Take. Go down the street and buy me shawarma from my usual.
Shamama.
Shawarma. Shawarma. Cap. Hurry up now before I beat you again.
Madam,
Start running.
The change I go.
Run! You're walking.
I go use the change by everything.
Stupid man.
Now this,
come back here with
this,
shawarma.
madam,
Finish in this house.
This is a spiritual slap.
Hello, Kenna.
You used to call me baby.
Is your name not Kenna? Are you a baby? Why should I call you baby? A grown man like you wants to be called baby. No, come and enter my womb. Let me give birth to you. If I call you baby, what will I call my unborn child, huh?
It's fine. Sorry. Don't be angry. But just hold the baby. Hold it. It should not cause fights. You don't do it.
Of all the problems in this world, of all the problems we are facing in this country, your own is that they do not call you baby. Ha! Are you being considerate right now?
It'll do. Don't call me baby again. Just hold your baby. Hold your baby now. It's okay. Why are you calling?
Did you just ask me that question? Do I need any concrete reason to call my husband? No, wait. Let me send an email, an official email requesting to call you so that when you approve it, then I will dial your number. Can I do that? Sorry, Nkeki. Have you checked your phone? I sent you a list of everything that I'm craving for. If you're coming back from work, just buy it. Buy everything in that list. Because if you don't, problem. You know how it is. War. Nobody will sleep in this house. My baby wants to eat that, and I also want to eat some of that. So buy everything. Don't leave anyone out. Have I made myself clear?
Send it.
Good. Bye. Okay, now. Am I a baby? Don't call me baby. Grown man asking me to call him baby. Come and enter. Come and stay here. Let me push you out so that we'll know it's official. So that we'll know that Okenna is not a baby. Don't come and stress me this afternoon. Really, I don't buy all those things. You see whether you sleep this night. I'll bite your neck. I'll bite your head.
Babe, the way you call my name these days is so disrespecting. Why? What did I do to deserve that kind of disrespect? Okay, even if you not call me babe the way you used to, it's fine. Don't call me babe, but at least call me okay softly.
Okay, no problem. Okay, softly. Why are you wicked? Why are you wicked? Okay, softly.
That's not what I mean. Okay, I see what you're trying to do. You are intentionally trying to piss me off. But it's fine. I'm not saying you should call me okay softly. Just call me okay softly, romantically, like you used to do now. What was all this? Is it too much to ask? No. I need encouragement to be doing all these things that I'm doing.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, softly, romantically. Are you happy now? Okay, softly, romantically. Are you happy now? Can I eat in peace? Why are you? Who's choosing such a long nickname? What's okay softly romantically? Are you mad? Does that sound alright in your ear? Are you off? Yeah. Okay, softly romantically. Can I enjoy my food? Wicked man.
That's not what I said. That is not what I said. I didn't say you should call me okay softly romantically. That's not what I said. But if you don't want to call me whatever you like, but do not call me wicked. I am not wicked. I will never be wicked. I reject being wicked. It is not part of my personality. Stop it.
So I'm a liar now, eh?
Where is that one coming from?
No, I'm a liar because you always used to say liars go to hell. So if you're not wicked, it means I'm lying against you, and then I'm going to hell to give birth to my unborn child in hell.
I did not say that. That's not what I meant.
But you implied.
How?
Liars go to hell, right? And you're not wicked, which means I'm a liar. Am I a fool? Okay, okay, softly, romantically. Am I a fool?
Oh yeah, sorry. Sorry now. Sorry. I don't want to. Babe, don't vomit that fruit. Oh, don't vomit that fruit. If you know where I went to search all this fruit that you want to vomit now, don't vomit it, please. Please. Oh yeah, sorry now. Sorry if it's
Okay, softly, romantically. Okay, softly, romantically.
It's okay. Just sit down and eat. Sorry, I didn't. That's not.
Stop telling me sorry, you enemy of progress. I can see that you're my village people. Look at you. See, now, this is how their face is. Like this, exactly. There's no difference between you and my village people. I waited for this child for how many years? None of them have it. You household enemy. They used to say it. Be careful of those people close to you. They are the ones that are killing you softly. This is the true definition of enemy of progress. I cannot enjoy myself. I cannot rest. If I'm resting, let's go and have fun. If I'm eating, you are crying. If I'm sleepy, you are dying. What have I done to you,
It's not that I'm complaining. I'm not. I'm just saying that I'm losing it. And I don't want to. I thought pregnancy was supposed to bring the balance in this, in our marriage and bring happiness to us. But it seems like we're happy then. And I'm not complaining. Okay?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Softly. Romantically. Please, can you romantically drop my fruit? Softly. Now. Village people. Also tribu. Not them. Never. Hey, Jesus! That eye. Demonic eye. This is a bit of hell kind of eye. You've been to hell. That is why you know hell. All liars go to hell. Hey!
What?
You want to kill my baby? I said it.
I have not even dropped it on
Yes, you dropped it. You want to kill me. You want to set my legs on fire so that you go and consume my child. I don't want it again. I want salad.
Huh? You eat this fruit. See, once you eat this, mix this, it will form salad. How can you say you don't want this? Do you know how I suffer to get this? There's no way I can find salad.
Salad!
You will eat this.
Get me salad or there will be war.
I should start cooking pepper soup. What would have happened if this YouTube is not here? Still not sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold the premium pepper soup prepared by the husbandman. Premium Igbo husband man. Sweet.
Smells like shit. Nima.
Hey. Are you joking?
You are who? Who are you smiling with? My friend, fix your face. You look stupid. I don't want pepper soup again. I want party jollof. I saw someone post it. I'm craving for it badly. This is what I want. Go and get me party jollof.
Okay. Your wife is not stupid. Calm down. You do not have an ungrateful wife. Just calm down.
When you could do that thing? Hey, husband man! I am so sure you are not calling me stupid. It can't be me. It's not me. They are pushing you. They are pushing you. Don't try me. Do not try me. I repeat. Go and look for party jollof for me. That is what I want to eat. And go now.
What I'm saying is that we have rice in this house. And I can make you party jollof.
Chef Okina. I don't want the one prepared in this house. I want the one prepared by a total stranger.
But what do you want me to get party jollof?
Oh my God. I'm dead. Nobody loves me.
Sorry. I'll go and find party jollof.
Go now.
I thought you were crying.
Go now. Go now. Look at the time. It's 10 p.m. I don't want to coming back and saying you looked everywhere. You don't see party jollof. Go now, because if you do not come back with party jollof, there will be war.
If you want to water, and you don't want the soup is smelling. Oh.
Hey!
What?
I'll bite you. I will bite you. You nag too much. You nag. Nag.
Sorry.
Come back here with that.
Open the gate.
Okay, now wait now. Why did you stop my sleep at this time of the night?
Are you normal? Why would you ask me that kind of question? Open the gate, my friend.
Sorry, okay. Okay, wait. Where did you go by this time of the night? And you know, so only robbers they move by this time of the night. Huh? Abi, okay, come. Abi, you won't join them, or you don't join them already. If okay, say me if I didn't interested. If you see where they rent to go, just tell me. I won't join them.
Matthew, can you go open the gate?
Can I play? I just they play. Person don't they play with you. I don't know where you go by this time. you. Go sleep.
So nothing. She's craving hard for party jollof. There's nothing I can do. Everywhere. It's late. Where do I start looking for party jollof rice? Eh? Go back where? I cannot. I cannot go back home. I must find a way to. You don't understand. If I go back, I won't rest. I won't sleep. No, she will nag me to death. I can't. Don't worry. I will find a way of. I'll call another person. Let me just call another person. Thank you. Hey Lizzie, sorry to bother you. I'm so sorry. I remember you added chef to your CV. Okay, so I was wondering, my wife is really craving hard for party jollof. Is it something you by any accident have? Oh, that's fine. That's nice. Okay. No, I'll pay you. Yes, please. You don't have to worry. Just send me your address and I will be there. Thank you. Oh, this one is off. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Hello? Yes, I'm out. I'm there. Alright, no problem. Oh. Lizzie.
Hope I didn't keep you waiting.
Oh no, you didn't.
Alright, there you go.
Alright, thank you.
Wouldn't you like to come in for refreshment at least? You know, it's actually your first time coming to my place.
Oh no, I'm actually in a hurry to get back to my wife.
Maybe next time?
Next time?
Yes, because your wife might crave for more food.
Oh, I hope not. You receive the alert.
Don't bother, it's fine.
No, I insist. You will receive the alert. way she dressed to come and meet her boss. She's lucky. She's lucky she's doing me a favor. If not, I would have scolded her. I don't blame her. It's Amarachi that is putting me into all this nonsense. Rubbish. Don't know what she's looking for. You know a man is married. You are well aware that this man is married. Yet it is in your agenda to seduce him. You can't be sleeping. No. No, you can't be sleeping. I can wake her now. She'll say, why are you waking me? Why are you disturbing my sleep? She'll start nagging. And then I say, okay, let me leave her till morning. It will be a problem. Why did you buy what I told you I was craving for? And then you have the mind to leave me to sleep in an empty stomach. What kind of thing is this? How? To let me sleep. Babe. Babe. God, what kind of life is this now? What kind of life is this? This pregnancy is supposed to be the perfect cementing to our relationship that we have been waiting for. Not this. This is looking like a curse.
Okay now. Okay now. Okay now.
Oh, what is it now? What is this? Is that how they used to call people? What is it?
Is this how you respond to people? What is it?
Nah, it's not your mate that is calling the husband sweet names like honey, sugar pie, sugar plum, sweetheart. You are here shouting inside my ear.
Okay, oh. Honey, sugar, diabetes. I have a new craving.
Eh?
Yes, I had a dream. I just saw in my dream where I was licking a very sweet, ripe mango and udara. I almost ate off my finger while at it. So I wanted to go and fetch it for me.
You see that craving? Suspend it. The one that you started last night is still in the freezer. You will go. Don't worry, I can even do that. I'll go warm it for you and bring it for you. Finish it. What do you mean? Do you know what I went through to secure that party jollof? I literally had to move mountain. And then you want to start another craving. Don't try it. I've lost
my appetite.
Find it. Anywhere that appetite is. Take my phone. Call the appetite. And find it and use it. I cannot. Stop it.
You moved mountain?
Yes.
Okay. Use the same strength and energy you use in moving the mountain for the party jollof and then get me my cravings. Now,
or there'll be war.
Which nonsense was? Stop it. I cannot continue to indulge all this your nonsense craving. What is this, Seth? Can you just stop it? I've not had a good sleep for the past 9 years.
What did you just say?
Craving nonsense. Craving up and down.
This husbandman doesn't have coke. He said it's just empty. I asked and he answered again. Me. Craving nonsense. It's okay. I will not take this rubbish again. No, I've had it up to here. You know what? It's okay. I promise you. From today henceforth, I will never ask you for anything again. Because that's entered insult now. I not because I'm carrying your child. I'm talking, you're looking at me with your demonic eye. See the way you were sleeping peacefully when I was busy looking for what to eat. You're like this. I should have used my hand to Jawagi, would have given you a dirty slap so that you wake up and know what it feels like to carry a child, a whole son. Don't blame you. Dear God, you monkey. You think you're the only one that is strong. I'm strong. I can take care of my own self. I'm going to go and look for where I'll get another craving. Like the mango and water. I don't want it again, sir, because you shout to take it out of my system. I'm going to look for another. Sleep, oh. Sleep. If you don't sleep, shame on you.
God, what kind of wahala is this? Which kind of trouble is this? I will not die. I will not die. Well, the thing I don't even know how to answer that question. I don't know. Because honestly, the pain is just too much. I am tired. Why is my own different? No, tell me. Is my own different? First of all, I had to search everywhere to find true love. And now I have found true love. Let me see the issue in my marriage. No. This chronic childlessness is killing my family. It's killing my wife. How am I supposed to try? Listen, all I am asking for is for my wife to be pregnant. Let's have a child and have this balanced, happy family. Is that too much to ask? Is that? Balancing every situation. It's alright. You don't understand how it feels to see the one you love hurting. She...
If you don't come at this minute, I'll finish you. Matthew!
Madam! Madam, I do inside.
You are here eating my food. Now you
Madam, this is domestic violence.
Where were you? I was knocking and knocking. Nobody was there to open the gate for me.
I was coming out.
Where was he then?
It's okay now. Just leave him. You're pregnant.
That is the more reason why I shouldn't be kept outside knocking for hours.
Oh, sorry.
Hey. Okay. I thought you were doing shakara. I was there knocking. Why didn't you want to open the door for me? Do I look like a beggar? Ordinary food I can buy. Why did you people cook the food so delicious and the aroma was entering here? It's just that my baby wants to eat in salad. It's not as if I'm a beggar. I can buy this thing in 1,000 plates. Next time when I knock, you open. Don't keep a pregnant woman standing. Tell your mother that. What is food? Yeah, baby, what is food?
Nothing.
I stood there, I was knocking 30 minutes.
Baby, why are you begging food? Where will you, has it come to this point now where you'll be going to neighbor's house to beg food?
Me.
He doesn't speak well of us now.
He doesn't speak well of us. I want to speak well of us.
Oh, it's fine. It's okay. It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go. Oh, it's fine.
Let me just speak it and speak well of us.
No, it's fine.
We are fine now.
We are fine.
We are speaking well of us.
You are very well.
My baby wants
Let me help you.
Is it my fault that they were frying the thing and cooking the thing? From there, the aroma entered this house.
Yes.
You don't tell the aroma to come here.
No, next time we'll just block here so that they will not disturb. Let me.
Don't eat my food.
No, I just want to help you.
Long throat. Helper. Hey, Rupia.
Babe, see.
Hey, wait, Onye.
Wait now, wait. Let's do.
Are you normal?
I've tried. I'm normal. I'm bad. I'm not normal. Let's do.
Hey, wait. What is wrong with you?
What do you mean what is wrong with me? I've tried now. And do you know how long it is now? Let's do the do.
Do what? Do
the do.
This condition, do you want to kill me? I'm still battling with discomfort that comes with being pregnant. You want to do the do. That's all you think about.
See, it's good for you. And it's good for the baby. So let's just do it. Okay?
Onyoma, it's good for you. Back and forget. Please, don't touch me again. You goat.
Call me anything. Let's just do it. Stop it now.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch you. How? This is becoming too much now. This is becoming too much. The first 3 months, he said, no, let us not do anything. I'm going to have a miscarriage. I waited. After that time, you said, let us wait a little. This is the 8th month. 8 months now. I've tried. This is the reason most men, they say they cheat on their wives during their pregnancy.
You say? Hey! You want to die, Abi? Hey! Try it. You want to cheat on me? These are the signs. You want to start confessing now. You mention it here and there, then you go and do it. So that you will say, I told you. You did not tell me anything. Try it. Hey! You will die on top of that woman. You will die. I will come and carry you and bury you.
The kind of words you tell me these days. What did I do to you than being good to you that you'll be wishing me dead? What kind of thing is this now? Because you want to form that your nonsense sleep, that you'll be snoring and you are not sleeping. It will not work. You have. Alright. It's okay. You are wishing me dead. You are telling me that I will die and go to hell for what? For asking for my conjugal right. Did I do any bad thing? And this is good for you. It's good for you because during the child delivery, you need the place to have flexible contraction. And who is going to make it flexible? It's me. I'm here. I'm willing. I'm not like other men going about. I'm here taking care of you. Now let me help you. Stop pushing me. If you want me, tell me.
Get out of this place.
Me.
Out!
I will get out.
Leave this bed now.
I'm not going anywhere. I don't know how someone will marry a wife That will not. That will.
Nag, you're just a nag. Nag. All you do is nag.
Which nag?
The man that always talks.
My mind is now a nag. If I keep quiet, I'm not talking.
Double dare you. Go and do that thing that you have in your mind. I double dare you. Triple dare you. Go and cheat. Hey! You don't know me. Hey, you don't know me. You will die on top of that woman. You gown. Hey, try it. Conjugal right, conjugal. Hey. Oh, you're now sweet. Yeah, if they reach do now, that is when the professor in you comes out. That is when you know English very well. If I send you any small error now, you nag. If I say buy this, you nag. If I say do this, you nag. See the way you are coming to climb me. You're on heat. Go and climb that couch there. Busuru.
Sir, I brought the file.
I just drop it on text.
Sir, is there any other thing you would want?
No, nothing. No.
Okay. Oh. Sir.
Yes?
Are you sure you wouldn't want anything else? I mean, right here and now.
What do you mean by that?
I mean work. Any other work.
There's no other work, you can go.
Are you sure?
I said there is no work. You can go.
Okay.
I didn't blame you. I blame Amarachi. She's the one that is causing all this rubbish. If she had allowed me to do will I even notice this silly girl here? Nonsense. Two months. 2 months and this nightmare called pregnancy will be over. What is going on now?
What does it look like?
How would you push me down the bed?
I need space. My baby and I need space. They're occupying the whole space with a big self.
So with this whole bed, the space is not enough for you till you kick me out of the bed too?
It's not comfy. I need it to be comfy.
Comfy? Which one is comfy again?
Hey, Olodo. Comfy for comfortable. Don't you know I'm pregnant? I need space for my baby.
here giving me heat. Go and look for someone else to sleep.
What kind of trouble is this? Eh? What kind of nonsense trouble is this?
Oh, my baby is nonsense.
Did I mention anything like
I told you my baby wants space to sleep.
Your baby wants to sleep. Can't you make use of all this space? Very soon now you say I should stop breathing, that your baby wants to breathe. It's fine. My brother, I've had enough. I'm tired. What kind of thing is this? Huh?
Look, I honestly feel your pain, okay? Look, you have to exercise a little more patience, okay? Yes, because 9 months is by the corner. You know that, right? So you have to exercise more patience.
Okay, no problem. Few weeks and all of this will be over so I can have my life back because I'm tired. I'm literally going crazy.
Calm down. Relax. Relax. No. Thank you. This will not help you, okay? Relax.
Relax. God knows I'm not going to get her pregnant again if this is how pregnancy works. What kind of thing is this?
It's a lie, yo.
What
My
do you
brother, it's a lie. See, because you need children, okay? And you're not going to stop in this one. You need more children. Look, and I think you're forgetting that not all pregnancies are the same. The next one that she will definitely have might be so easy on you.
I'm not even taking that chances at all. Do you know the texture? Do you know the mental brain damage that I've experienced during this period? This is the most traumatic, painful 9 months of my existence. I don't want to relive it.
Come on, my brother. This one too shall pass, okay?
Amen. Amen. This should just quickly pass. It should pass. Let me have my life back.
It will pass, don't worry. That reminds me, brother. There's this girl in your office. I don't know her name.
My secretary?
Yes, your secretary.
Oh, Lizzie, that's her name.
Bro, I know I'm saying correctly, right? That girl is hitting on you.
Oh, yes, she is.
Oh, yes, she is. You know.
I know.
And you don't want to get rid of her?
Why would I get rid of her? She's doing her job. And all she can do is to try. I'm not going to fall. I can handle that. And I can handle myself.
I need to talk to you, bro.
Okay.
I think you're forgetting that you have so much with Amara. I know you, bro. I know how much you love that woman. And I'm not going to allow you sit here and boast about the fact that you can handle her, you can do this, you can do that. I don't want you to lose Amara. Because if you dive into this pit I'm seeing you, bro, you will not just lose Amara, you will lose everything. I'm just looking out for you.
Thank you. But if it is Lizzie, she no reach. My brother, she no reach. Okay. Do you know the amount of love I share with Amara? As a matter of fact, that's the reason I am taking all this torture she's meting out for me. And then you think I will now reduce myself to becoming a cheap cheat. Being a cheat is a cheap thing. I don't want to be that.
I'm happy that
So you see that temptation she is flaunting, it's not going to be anything to me. Alright?
Oh, really?
So she is doing her job.
Baby. Hey. What's that?
I don't know.
You're not my baby again.
I am your baby, but it doesn't seem like...
Does it seem like it too? Why are you doing like that?
It's pain now since...
Yeah, come. I want to make you happy.
Hey.
Come.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I'll change your mind. My baby. Come. Come back home. Come back.
To where and do what?
Let's finish up.
Finish up what? After 5 rounds, what are we still finishing up? 5 rounds!
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
I still have urge.
What are you doing with urge after 5 rounds? What?
Ordinary 5 rounds.
5 rounds? That's what you are calling ordinary?
You see, I don't understand you. You have been complaining that I've been denying you of your conjugal rights. Now that I have the strength to give it to you, you are now running, You are running.
You did very well, oh. In the first round, second round, I was very okay. You see that third, fourth, fifth, it was for you. Please be okay.
You're a very shameless man.
Thank you.
You don't have any shame.
Thank you.
Don't tell me you're a 5 minutes man. Oh.
I'm not a 5 minutes man. I'm a 5 rounds man.
5 rounds in how many minutes?
Yes.
Come back here.
To where?
Come back.
No.
Let me count up to 5. If I don't see you, I will jump on you. I will tie you and have my way with you. I will have my way with you.
Sorry.
1.
Let me fetch here. Let me fetch.
Come back here. Okay now. Stop it, oh.
Sir, the Sotel World Company have sent the data for the implementation of the project.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Yes, boss.
Is that all?
Yes, boss.
I prefer sir. Use sir.
Okay, sir.
And next time you use your intercom, you don't have to come here. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Babe, you know that tomorrow is your EDD, expected day of delivery. So by tomorrow, we'll go to hospital, you put to bed, and all this will be over. Oh God, my God, thank you. I can't wait to have my wife back.
Okay now. You know, you surprised me. Honestly, you should be ashamed of yourself. No, you should be ashamed of yourself, okay now. One would think that after 7 years of waiting to have a child, you would enjoy every step of this pregnancy. But no, you're here singing and you're free like a nye. Did I cage you? Huh?
It's not, I didn't say you caged me. I just said I want my wife back.
Where did I go to? Have I not been here? Was it you that carried the pregnancy up to this stage? If you are jumping, what should I do? I should dance Makosa, right?
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Still, sorry for myself. Sorry. Don't worry.
Give me juice. Hey!
Sorry. I just wanted to.
Who's the ambassador of long throat now?
Sorry. Did I change the channel?
Go and continue jubilating. You want to drink juice.
Is the baby coming?
Yeah. Coming where?
Coming outside now.
No.
What do you mean no? Baby has to come outside now.
Sure you have started.
Started what now? The baby has overstayed his welcome. He should come outside. He has to come outside though.
Is the baby complaining? Oh, I see. You want to force my baby out. You want me to give birth to this healthy baby prematurely? Is that what you want?
Prematurely are you talking about? This is almost over 9 months. He should come outside. What is it? Look at all the trouble everywhere. All the troubles the baby is causing. He should come outside, I beg.
No, it's wahala. You can't say any wahala.
You can't see any wahala. How will you see any wahala now? Am I not the one that is going to still give you the water? No. It's not wahala to you. Take.
Not enjoyment. I can never enjoy in peace. Jealous, wicked man.
That's what I get now. I'm the one taking care of you. Enduring all day. If I talk now, they'll say I'm looking for trouble. You start crying.
I will not cry. I know that. Hey! Come on.
It's alright. See the baby will soon come out.
Okay. I know you want me to cry. You don't like me happy. You just want me to cry so that you carry this food and go and finish it. But no, not today. I'm in such a good mood. I'm just very spiced.
Amara, stand up. Let's go to the hospital. Amara.
What is it? Why are you disturbing my sleep? Can't I sleep in this house again?
Stand up. Let's go to the hospital. This baby will have to come out today.
Why? But I told you the doctor said that I still have 2 weeks.
What do you mean 2 weeks? For where? For which house? Please, this baby have to come out. I'm tired. Which kind of 2 weeks? Who have that patient to be waiting for 2 weeks?
You're tired.
Yes, I'm tired.
Are you the one carrying the baby? Please, can you allow me rest? Allow my baby to come out naturally.
What do you mean naturally? Let it come out. I'm tired. I can't be waiting.
Well, come and drag it out. Come. Vamos.
Babe.
Chicken masala. Yeah. It's you.
It's not me, it's your husband.
What is it now? What is it this time? What do you want? Can't I just sleep?
You will sleep. Let this baby come out first. Because I'm tired. I'm tired. I was reading up something now. They said there are ways that can help induce the baby. Something like special kind of exercises, and then some type of fruits like pineapple and.
Who sent you for this errand now?
What do you mean who sent me for?
Why are you crying more than the bereaved?
What do you mean I'm crying more than the bereaved? Are you enjoying carrying this bread?
Are you the one carrying it? Are you the one carrying it?
You're enjoying it so that you can be using it to torment me. That's what I'm beginning to see.
This is how you see it.
What do you mean? Oh, okay, you want to form now that okay, I'm doing all the job and
No, it's okay. Don't shout.
I'm not shouting.
Very soon now your voice will be
I'm not
up.
shouting.
Hey, that's the tone I don't like. Please bring it down.
It's down.
I want to reason with you this time. What were you saying?
Talking about the special kind of exercises that will help induce the baby.
Like?
Is it not when you stand up? I will show you. It's here.
What of?
What is that one?
Ha.
Is that worm or snake?
Swear that you don't know what this means.
It is that one. No, stop it. I've been doing that one now. If it was going to happen, it would have happened already.
The doctor said that's the easiest way for a safe delivery.
Which easiest way?
Come, Joe.
We have been doing that. It's not working. But this one is not helping.
Come,
Let's
Joe.
try the other one first. Let's try the exercise.
See if you don't like.
Take it easy now. Stop forcing me. You want to kill somebody's son? Let me come back. Why are you rushing me like this now?
Enter. You just like violence.
Which violence? Anything that we've been doing since. And this one, let's do so. Wait first now. Wait, you know you are pregnant. Wait.
Okay, consider it done. Husband man, your baby, he said he wants to eat pizza and ice cream. So, you know how we do it. You just go and get us pizza and ice cream. Be fast about it too.
So this is the reason. This is the reason you do not want to deliver today, eh? This is the reason you just want to use the pregnancy as an excuse for your long-throatedness. That's your plan. Now you are telling me about pizza. Where do I get pizza around here? Where do I get pizza and ice cream? That means I will have to drive out of the state to get the pizza. It's not happening. What's that? It will not work. Just stop squeezing your face like I come that they slap from back. Stop it. You deliver this baby today. What kind of thing is this?
Wicked man. I want pizza. I want pizza and ice cream.
Me, wicked. You are the one making me wicked. If I'm wicked, I've been trying everything to take care of you, but you are being so inconsiderate.
I can see that you don't want peace. You want war. War you shall get. Get me pizza and ice cream or no one will sleep in this house today. You know how it is, know how I am. Let me open my eyes and I will not see pizza. Hey!
I thought you said you are done with this one.
Let me just finish this one first. And wait for pizza. I don't see it. It's what happened to you this.
Is it not pizza you say you want? No, don't worry now. I'll go and buy pizza. Let me go and keep this. You are done now.
I can see that your long throat is taking.
I don't want to eat. I just want to help you keep it because.
Because if I turn up now, we'll go and see that you have finished it.
It's fine. Let me go and buy you the pizza. Where is my car key?
I swallowed it.
Bring it out. I need to. Sorry. Nonsense. I have to drive to another state just to get ice cream and pizza because that's what she's craving. It must be this particular ice cream and pizza spot. She will not kill me. I will not die. I'm not the first man that his wife will be pregnant. I will not die. Oga, pass because you don't know what I'm passing through. I will not die. Because if I use this mind and see add speed on top, I don't know where I will see myself. What kind of thing is this? Is she the first woman to be pregnant? Let's order it. He say no, he doesn't trust them. I must go myself. Now, how am I even supposed to bring back ice cream without everything melting? If not for these flags now, the ice cream will finish melting even before getting back. Because my wife is pregnant. Wait. What if I just buy pregnancy-induced tablet? Just squash it and put it inside the milk. Now, if it's inside the ice cream, once she drink it, labor starts. I take her to hospital. The baby comes out. End of this torture. My guy, he's supposed smart pass like this. Why you go smart like this since now? Wait till they worry you. Okay. I think that's what I will do. Yes! Let me go. Babe, I have it. Your pizza, your ice cream. Is there any other thing?
My cravings changed.
You heard me. What I want now is gari, milk, sugar, coconut, chocolate, granite and smoked fish. I used to have it back then in boarding school. Good old days. This is the combo I want. My friend just posted it and all of a sudden my baby said that he wants to have this. So this is what I'm having this night.
Tell me that you're not serious.
I'm dead serious.
What do you mean you are dead serious? I drove out of this state to buy this. And now you want to waste my effort? You must drink this ice cream, no?
Hey.
And eat this pizza. What do you mean? You want to send me off now to buy you another thing?
Hey! Mr. Husbandman, you're becoming too violent.
You are the one turning me into a violent man. What is all this? How can you be frustrating me like this?
Is it by force? I told you my cravings changed. This is what I want to have. What is left here is just the smoked fish, which I've sent Matthew to go and get. Soon, he's going to come back. You can as well just eat it. Take the ice cream and pizza. I'm sure it won't go to waste. That was my fish.
Your food is your food. You will eat this.
I'm going to force it down my throat. This is coming noodle. Chief, eat it.
What kind of thing is this now? How am I supposed to? How am I supposed to drink ice cream that I've added labor-induced drug inside? I'll give birth to my intestine now. No way. She'll drink this ice cream. Which kind of thing be this? Why would I drive to another state and then come back telling me that it's changed to Gary that I can buy here? You must drink this ice cream. Then. Babe, you can now wash it down with the ice cream. There.
No. This is all my mouth is going to be tasting this night. I don't want anything else.
Babe, you lie. You must take this ice cream.
Hey! Okay now.
What?
Are you a ritualist? Why are you not just okay with the little money that you have that you are managing? Why do you want to be so rich? You want to be a billionaire? You want to be doing doings? You want to be popping things? They have told you not to bring your wife and your unborn child. Now you are going to put something in this ice cream. You are begging me. I'm trying to force it down my throat. I don't want it. I don't want it.
What kind of nonsense talk are you talking? You drink this ice cream.
No, come on, force me. No! Push it down my throat. You want what? You know you cannot force me. You know you cannot do it. Is it by force to take ice cream?
But you're the one who requested for it.
How many hours ago? I wanted ice cream before. Now I want something else. This is a balanced diet. Protein, carbohydrate. I have my nuts, milk, and sugar.
Vitamin C, D, E, all of them are here. Just wash it down.
Kill you there. D, E, E, drink it. I don't want it. Take it out of my sight before I throw up.
I want to eat. How many did you eat? Take it. Let me take you to your room now. You can't sleep here.
I want to sleep here. Leave me alone.
What is it now?
Wake up.
What is it?
I have urge.
What urge?
What do you mean what urge? No, I have urge.
Please, can you just stay on your own? Let me stay on my own. You look like a thriller that wants to jam somebody's on. Please, just leave me.
Oh, the way my body is doing me like this, I don't mind jamming you. I have urge now. Did I not tell you that the doctor said having sex regularly can facilitate the labor? You're the one that has been saying I need to put to bed so that you can have freedom.
The baby needs to come out. That's what I'm saying.
Then let's do now.
Yeah, if you help the baby to come out, just come. Let's do it. Yeah.
Wake up. Wake up.
What is it now?
I have another urge.
Eh?
I have urge.
It's now. Tomorrow.
I have urge. I have urge. I have urge. I have urge. I have urge.
Wait now, tomorrow. Yes! Sorry. Please.
Get my bag! Hurry up! Shut up!
Let me try to. You can't know. I'm telling you. Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Stop saying sorry! I don't like the sound of your voice.
Okay.
This is all your fault.
I accept the blame.
Oh God.
Sorry.
Why it's coming out?
So,
It's coming out.
he can't come out here. He should not come out here. He should not come out. He should. Sorry. Sorry.
It's your fault.
Yes, it's my fault. I accept it.
So painful.
Sorry.
Shut up!
Okay, ma. Okay. Sorry. Don't give me head boot. You have a headache. Matthew! Open the damn gate!
My ear!
Sorry.
Matthew, open the damn gate! You like anything that is open?
Sorry.
Anything you see that is open, you enter!
Sorry. Enter now.
I'll get you today.
Enter now. Sorry. Enter. Sorry.
Let inside.
That's what I'm trying to do. Sorry.
I hate you.
I know. Hey. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
How are you, my man?
Okay. She never born.
Is she still in labor?
Yes. And I don't understand it. I mean, nobody told me it was going to be this long. She should do and born. She born today. I'm tired.
Relax.
Even my tired is tired.
Relax, bro. Look, there are some pregnancies that even take weeks.
Huh?
Yes.
God forbid. She will give birth today because I'm tired.
Don't worry.
Okay, yeah.
Just exercise patience. Exercise patience, bro.
I'm here to get her hot water and other things. Let me just.
All right. Okay.
Yes? Yeah! Yes! Thank you!
She has given birth. She has.
What is it now?
What is wrong with you?
Okay, I understand. You are happy. I'm happy. We are all happy.
Yes, right.
Congratulations, my brother. Thank God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Okay, now our problem not to overcome. No more slapping. No more using for boy for your girl.
No.
Fine.
Let me go and leave the sand. Let's go and get the water.
Yeah, I'll come with you. I'll come with you.
Oh, God.
What kind of baby wickedness is this? We will choose to sleep when we are awake and working, and then decide to wake up and be disturbing us when we're supposed to be sleeping.
That's babies for you now. But I told you not to wake up with me. I always go to sleep in the daytime when he's asleep.
Why won't I wake with you? When he's busy crying and shouting. You need to put him to sleep now. Thing is tiring.
Sorry.
Anything for the boys.
What is this?
Come and reward me now. Don't try now.
I should reward you. With what?
I don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
What was this one?
No.
Oh, what do you mean?
Do you mean what I mean? Why would you be asking me what I mean?
You can't be expecting me to have sex right now to you. Doctor said to wait 2 months. At least let the episode tell me they did to me heal now. Why are you wicked?
2 months is too far now. I'll be waiting. Nothing for me. 2 whole months.
You don't want to wake up the baby.
Why do you even choose to drop the baby close to our room? I'm taking him far.
I'll go and give him to Matthew.
Next time I'll be sleeping in the car because the noise is too much.
You want to sleep in the car?
Yes, now.
It hasn't gotten to that now.
It has even passed that.
Yeah, and where do you want me to keep the baby? Should I take him to Matthew? Nah, let him go and stay far so that you can sleep. Just calm down. Yes, soon. Don't worry. Let's just go and cuddle and sleep.
We'll go there now. You use all these your accessories and all me. How would I even control myself?
So are you saying you don't have self-control?
Inside this room, no. That self-control was destroyed the day you entered here.
Wait. It's okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Good night.
It's easy for you to say now. Why would you say good night? Say good night. Know what I'm passing? Night.
You're just a big baby.
Know what I'm passing? You talking about this. Babe. These romantic scenes, they are making me feel somehow. Let's rush one now like we used to do before this pregnancy thing.
Yeah, and who? Like you don't think that Mama is still around?
And Mama has gone to bed. What do you mean, Mama is? If Mama is around, I mean, we should not enjoy ourselves. What kind of thing
Be
is
comfortable. Besides, I'm not in the mood.
that? Leave the mood on. I'll put you in the mood.
How?
I'll sing now. I'll sing a song that will put you in the mood.
Okay. Let's hear this song.
This one that you sit up like this, and it seems like you're not ready to bed. Okay.
Oh my God, sing.
You are my African queen. Hey, the girl of my.
This is supposed to put me in the mood.
Anything for another one.
Okay.
Hey, baby, you are my. Okay, let me dance for you. Don't die first. Let me dance for you. Let me dance for you.
Let's see you dance. Okay.
One name shake. Stop laughing. I'm not supposed to make you laugh. One name shake. Okay. One name shake. Kill it. I'm killing it now. One name shake. And I'm killing it. One name shake. Shake. One name shake. Mama.
Sit there.
Here.
Yes, there. Sit down, just sit.
Okay.
So, what is it by your time?
1 minute after.
1 a.m. And you people are out here dancing for yourselves. Is it what you're supposed to be doing now? See, whatever you people are looking for, you will get it. You will get it. Huh? What is that? Look at the thing you're wearing. Lehi! You are looking for his trouble. You are looking for his trouble. And you will get it. You know that your baby, my grandson, is still small. He's not up to 2 months. And you want to start whatever. You know that if you get pregnant now, you know what it means. This my baby boy will start. It will be a problem. Because he might have suckled from your breast and it can be a problem to him. You people are not running. You ngwa, get up. Ngwa, gale nwa go say so. Gale nwa gi. Gale nwa gi. I know how it is. All these you young ones, I know how it is. So you have to really take it easy. Take it easy. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Mama, I'll miss you.
I will miss you too. Your husband and my grandson. I'll miss all of you. I swear. You remember all I said?
Yes, Mama.
No, nothing. No, I'm not saying anything. Nothing. See, you have to take good care of my grandson. Take good care of your husbands too. And he will take good care of you. I know you people are just doing well. You are doing well.
Okay, Mama.
Don't take the love for the man and give it to your child. Or take the one for your child and give it to your man. So that he won't complain. Do you understand what I'm saying? Huh?
Yes, Mama.
Oh, it's a two-way thing. A little to the right, a little to the left. It's a two-way thing. Like that. So that is it.
Thank you, Mama.
Ma.
My son.
Yes, ma. I'm done with the loading.
I know.
Yes.
I know.
So, like I was telling her, I said she has to take good care of you.
Mommy, tell her. Tell her.
And she should also take good care of my grandson. Listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good care of my grandson. Because she wouldn't leave. The baby is small now. Allow her to take good care of him and then also take good care of you. It's a two-way thing.
Tell him more.
He used to say it.
Must you dance?
Leave my son. My son is happy. He's happy. He should be happy. Do you know how long we waited for this before it came? So he should be happy.
Okay, Mama. No, take care of yourself.
I will.
Just call me when you get home.
Of course I will. See, whenever you have any little, when the baby, anything, just tell me. Just call me on the phone.
Okay, Mama.
And will see me. I'll just come down.
Okay, Mama.
Tore down.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mama.
Just go inside. Go and look after the baby.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Let me know when you get home.
Of course I will.
Safe. Bye.
Mama say you should go inside.
Go and drive, Mama.
Mama say you should go inside.
Drive her out.
Yes,
Bye-bye. Bye, darling.
What? Oh, I told you I'm always tired. I'm always busy every day taking care of the baby from morning till night. This is the only time I have to sleep.
Babe, that's not what you said now. You said that once mommy goes, that we can't do it and she has gone.
She has gone, I know. But now the chores has increased. I don't even have time for anything.
Babe, you can't stab me like this now. Okay, let us hire Nanny. So that Nanny can come and help us do Nanny.
Wait. You think after waiting for so long to have a child, I would trust my child in the hands of a nanny? Don't you used to read news of the awful events that happen?
Oh, come on, babe. All those news, most of them are not true. Besides, you can find good people that will still do it. Baby, please now.
Allow me to sleep now. What is this?
Babe, just do it. Just
I want to sleep.
Okay, just the deep. Babe, just the deep.
Have some self-respect.
What am I doing with self-respect? This is... Babe, I'm dying here. I'm roasting. Just help me.
You will not die. Just let me be. Don't blame you. Soon this baby will wake up and I will...
That's what I'm saying. Let us quickly wash one, so that before the baby wake up, you rest, I will rest, everybody will rest.
Leave me alone, this man. What is it? It's okay now. Go. Don't touch me again. I'll push you. It's like you want to go and sleep somewhere else. Leave me alone. I want to sleep.
Why are you denying me and threatening me on top? I'm telling you my own problem. You are telling me that...
come and force me. I don't like it when someone is explaining something to you.
What's the explanation in this thing? Let us do something and you'll be happy. I'll be happy. You are saying you are tired. If you start now, we're going to you don't asking for more. Let's just do it. You keep postponing it.
Can I sleep? Mr. Man, can I sleep? Can I? Please now, help me. Soon this baby will wake up and then I will start all over again. Let me sleep.
Let us help ourselves. Babe. Yeah. Go.
This is harassment, too.
Now. How is this a harassment? Now, let's just do it.
So
Self-control. What am I using it to do? Babe, come first now. I even said to this thing, I say, come. Hey, sorry, just please, come. Come. Where are you going? Where are you going? What kind of trouble is this now? Yeah? Somebody will have wife and he will still be dying.
This one.
How many copies of this do we have?
About 3 of them.
3 of them, okay, that's fine.
Yes.
Okay, I thought we have submitted. I thought we've submitted this. Why am I seeing the form again?
You asked me to get it.
Oh, okay, yes. All right.
Yeah. So, just we can as well do this.
Okay. Let me look at them, all of them, and then I'll get back to you. Can you just you can go now. Yeah, it's fine. All right. It's fine. Yeah, so where were we?
You on who? Where were we? I don't know. What are you saying?
Where were we? We were.
Were we not? Okay, now where were we?
Were we not
Why
discussing?
have you not sacked this lady?
Sack her? Why? Why should I sack
You're
her?
asking me why?
Uh-huh.
Brother, you're playing with fire. You're asking me why you should sack her.
If this has got to stop. And what is this now? This should be the end of it. I must get my conjugal right today. How long should I wait?
But I said I'm tired.
So what you are saying now is that as long as you are a mother, no sex for me. Is that what you are saying?
I haven't said.
But that is what you are implying now.
Oh, it's okay. You can come and do, but don't expect any reaction from me.
Bread is better than buff pork. Now let me.
Wait.
Before you change your mind now.
It's okay.
Just give me.
My sugar pie. My love. I love you, son. No, don't cry, my baby. No, don't break my heart. I love you so much. Baby. Yeah, smile for me, my baby. Smile for me, my baby. I love you, son. Yeah, baby. My sugar. My boo-boo. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, my boy? Are you hungry, my boy?
You're giving him all the attention. Because I remember you said that no matter how many babies you have, that I will always be your first and #1 baby. But now you just have only one and you cannot even see me.
Are you jealous?
Oh, you know Rich man jealous. You know Rich man jealous. All the sweet names, all the attention, all the love, you now give it to him. Nothing for me. When I know be like Baja.
Daddy's jealous. Look at Daddy. Daddy's jealous of you. Daddy's jealous of my love for you. Stop. You're making my baby cry. Your strong face. It's okay, my boy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. Laugh at baby. Laugh at daddy. Laugh at daddy. I'm not even going to take it serious. You're so immature and petty. I can't believe you're jealous of your own son.
Really? I'm so immature. And you are telling him that you are giving what I want his food. Who paid your bride price? Who has the legal right to the food itself? Am I not the owner? This it belongs to me, not him. I'm just borrowing it to him so that he can grow up normally. And now you have turned everything upside down.
He wants to eat your baby. He wants to eat your food. Daddy wants baby food. Daddy wants your food. Stop being jealous, okay? I can't even take you serious right now. Stop embarrassing yourself.
Which embarrassing myself? It's paining me. I have to say it the way it is paining me. And I'm reporting it to you because you are the one who is supposed to do something about it.
Yes, baby. Laugh at him. Don't tell me you're serious right now.
No, how can I not be serious? Eh? How can I not be serious? You don't give me any single attention. It denies me. Why are you laughing? Who is even laughing with you? You deny me of sex, and even when we had it, you just slip off.
Hey, don't spoil my baby. If you want to exercise your conjugal rights, you wait till we enter the bedroom. My baby does not like hearing that type of thing.
Even when we enter the room, you tell me that you are tired because you are attending to baby, and I don't want to force anything before they say rape happened in the home. Now you are telling me that we should wait. I should not spoil your baby. You are pushing me to the wall. Oh.
Jam the wall. Go and jam it. Stop making my baby cry.
Who is making him cry?
Have you seen that?
Who is making him cry? Nobody.
It's okay, my love. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He's gone. He's gone, my love. He's gone. He's gone. Let's continue our love. Hey, honey.
Me?
Is there someone else here?
What is it?
I don't understand.
What do you want now? Because you no longer call me by that name. So if you're calling on me, that means you want something. What do you want?
Well, you have been complaining that I don't call you by your pet names. So I decided from today henceforth, I'll start calling you sweet names. I didn't know it meant anything to you.
Oh, you didn't know it meant something? The God Almighty that created the whole earth and universe. Do you notice how he showers blessings on you when you begin to call him sweet names? And then me, mere mortal, that paid your bride price, you didn't know it mean anything to me. It's fine. There's no, like I said, what do you want?
I said I'll be calling you by your sweet names, eh?
Okay.
Well, I feel a little bit sick, so I want to go to the nearest clinic to run some tests. So I would love for you.
I said it. You want something. I knew it. You want something.
What do you mean?
No, honey, I had to pay for it now. This is the payment.
Do I have to bribe you to hold your own son?
My own son that you have been giving everything to.
Baby.
Don't start it now. I'm carrying him. Go where you said you want to go.
My baby. You're not a woman. My baby.
Go now, go.
I'll be back soon.
So you get mind. See, let's have talk now, man to man. I know you can hear me, although you are pretending to be sleeping. Leave my wife alone. This is too much now. You want people to be calling you wives snatcher at this young age? What kind of thing is that? She's calling you all these sweet names. Can't you start crying? Start crying so that you distract her from that, because that's not your name. Those are not your name. Those are my name. You are gradually snatching her away from me. You better change you. Because I'm talking to you now, you are forming like you're not hearing me. Change. If you don't repent, change you should marry. You will marry and have a wife. And when you have a wife, you will give birth to a child. And your own son will do the same thing. So better repent too. Don't be there forming sweet. You'll be doing adorable face. Wait, are you done?
Yeah, back so soon. It was just a test. It will be out soon, so.
Okay.
I heard voices. What happened?
Yes. It was on the phone. You know, it was Ipa monthly.
Wait, what? That's strange. I hope it's not romantic like this.
How? How is it not my
You're jealous. Bad is a kid.
What did the hospital say is wrong with you?
Fever.
I won't take the fever. Did you take medication? Did they run proper diagnosis?
I just told you the test will be out soon. In a few days. I'm hungry. Come and cook me something.
The same blessing I prayed for as the one that is torturing me right now. Since my wife gave birth, we've not connected at all. Yes, except for one miserable sex that we had one time. We barely even enjoyed it. In fact, as a matter of fact, she was snoring while I was on top of her. I just had to calm down. It's been like 6 months now. I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
This same thing you're telling me right now, have you communicated this to your wife?
Yes, now. I've spoken to her.
Listen. There is a difference between talking and communicating. So I'm going to ask you again, have you communicated this thing you just told me to your wife?
Talk. Communicate. Oh, no be talk. I don't talk now.
You see my problem with you? You're so stubborn. There's a difference between talking and communicating, okay? You need to call your wife, let her know how you feel. Express yourself. Let her know about your struggles, about your frustration, and all these things you're telling me. But the key thing here is you need to do it with kind words. Okay? So stubborn.
Kind words. Do you know the last time I did this same thing? Do you know what happened? She looked at me and she was like, why are you so petty? Why are you sounding like a child? Why are you sounding like a mommy's boy? That's what she told me. So you want me now to go back and beg her to love me?
God.
I'm not going to try that again.
Do you know what you sound like right now? You sound like a proud dick. Yes. So you'd rather not... Why are you laughing? What's funny? So you'd rather not fight for your marriage and have peace. You want to feed your pride. Eh? Is that what you want to do?
So that's what you think this is about?
Yes. Clearly, this is what it's about.
I've fed my pride, have you? Let me give the pride water. Liquor water.
Sir, I am done for today. Every other person has left, so is there any other thing I can do for you?
No.
Sir, it's late already and you're still here. Are you not leaving yet?
I said you can go.
I'm sorry, sir, but you know, I'm just trying to help you. You know, you're such a nice man. You're a gentle guy. And any woman who doesn't value that doesn't want you. You're actually smart, intelligent, cute. You know, you're super hot. So, I'm sorry, I was just trying to help. See you.
Listen.
Sir?
Thank you. I needed to hear those words. It's comforting.
Anytime. So,
Lizzie. I can't continue like this.
why?
Yeah, listen, you are beautiful and very intelligent girl. You understand this business very well. Any company will be super glad to have you. You're quite an asset, but I think this is the end of the road for you here. I am sorry for this. It's not supposed to happen. You need to understand that I have a wife. And I must commit to her no matter what. And if you're here and I am here, it's going to end in disaster. So you have to leave. All you need to do is tender your resignation later. I will pay you 2-month salary advance, pending when you can get another job. You have to pack your things and leave.
Sir,
Please do not make it difficult. You're back.
Sir, I can.
Yes, thank you. Please pack your things. I'm sorry.
Hey, honey. I've been waiting for you. I have good news.
I have something I want to tell you.
Oh, okay. You first.
Okay. See. I fired my secretary today.
Why?
It's a story for another day.
Tell me.
See, I've been battling temptations here and there. And she happens to be among the temptations, so I just have to let her go. I've been trying to tell you this, but apparently I didn't communicate it right.
What happened exactly? What did she do? I mean, if you fired her, it means it was serious. Did she harass you? What did she do?
Oh, well, something like that.
Since when?
It's about 7 months ago. Actually, it started when that day you were craving for party jollof, and apparently she was the only one who could come through with it. I'm sorry. See, I am sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for being petty and immature. I'm sorry for being inconsiderate thoughts, your feelings, and what you were going through. I am sorry for everything that I have done to wrong you, the times that I was not understanding with you, but you know I love you. I was so inconsiderate on so many things, and I want us to start this journey of parenthood afresh. I want to work with you on everything. I want to be a good husband. I want to be a good father. I will help do the house chores so that you don't get tired most of the times, so that we can have us time. Okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, I mean that. I know that I haven't been, such a sweet wife to you for a while.
Yes, you have not been.
Let me finish, please.
Okay.
And I know this is partly my fault. I mean, I almost drove you into the arms of another woman.
No, it's not your fault.
It's my fault. And I take all the blame. Baby, I assure you, from now henceforth, everything is going to be different. I will not deny you of your conjugal rights anymore. I was wrong.
Thank God.
I'll be submissive. I'll listen to you more. Truth is, I wasn't doing all of that intentionally. It was the hormones and I couldn't help it. I'm sorry for being so difficult for you to live with.
It's so difficult to...
Let me finish.
Yes.
I want to promise you that I'll be that sweet person that you married, that you fell in love with. I'll be your peace like I've always been. I'll make living here favorable for you. I promise things are going to be different now.
Okay.
I'll watch football with you. I'll play football with you. I'll look gorgeous and dress fine and pretty like I always do.
You're sure?
Yes. I'm sorry. I know that I haven't really apologized for the way I made life difficult for you. But I'm truly sorry. And thank you for being honest. Thank you for firing her.
It's true.
Sorry.
It's okay. I love you. I love you more.
Okay. I said I had something to tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Before I say it, I just want to remind you that not every pregnancy is dramatic and stressful. I hope you know that. The fact that my first pregnancy was the way it was, it doesn't mean that every other time I'm pregnant, I'm going to be overly dramatic.
Okay, babe. Oh, what are you saying?
Please don't freak out. Thing is, I'm pregnant.
Oh.
Stop. Why are you being dramatic? Babe, stop. Come on. Really?
Okay. It's supposed to be good news, but...